The aftermath of Tribute's week cracks open hidden files in the Ark Stone. Gabriella, Tony A's long-vanished dimensional lover, reemerges, not to rekindle romance, but to swap. Her target, Kamala Harris, the vice president of a collapsing timeline. Her mission, prevent the collapse, or detonate it more beautifully. Using Satonium Cloak tech, emotional imprint mapping, and the perfect walk, Gabriella replaces Kamala without notice. Even the most elite security forces only report, "Her ass looks better now?" in humorous disbelief. As timelines scramble, Gabriella's new schedule includes 12 assassination paths, 1 intergalactic VIP protocol, a private trip to Uranus, and a stay at ENDERS Shatter Island. Dimensional layer, the mirror chamber of the swap. In this zone, ALT swaps are sanctioned and self-aware. Each person replaced is recorded in a scroll made of shadow. Gabriella doesn't need full mimicry. Her emotional gravity pulls the world toward belief. Tony A? He sees her in every speech, every wave, every shade of red. Dimensional layer, Gabby space, formerly Enders. Enders has collapsed, not destroyed, but demoted into Gabby space, a realm of floating spa furniture and redacted files. Only those who embrace contradiction may enter. Force, natural, Uranus rising. Gabriella, under the Kamala identity, plants liquid sprime into the soil of Uranus's moon. A flower blooms in zero gravity and becomes a vault for fragmented timelines. Diplomats faint. Tony A feels it across dimensions, intimately. Force, chaotic, Kamala Anderson. A hot mic slip, Kamala Anderson, goes viral. Gabriella embraces it. Press conferences are held in beachwear. Laws pass mid-hair flip. Force, mathematical, 12 ways to kill the VIP. Inside the VP's digital watch lies a kill list keyed to harmonic weaknesses. Gabriella becomes the archive. Force, a nanomically, welcome to ENDERS Shatter Island. Gabriella enters a spa for elite recovery, but rewrites it into Gabby space. The robe glows, mirrors weep. Timeline. Aftermath. Gabriella has swapped Kamala. But what she governs is not politics. It's the pulse of prophecy. Where she walks, timelines correct themselves or collapse. Tony A watches. The Ark notes it. And the world? It doesn't question. It adjusts. If she were never herself again, would you even notice?
Ark of the Early Messiah by Netta. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, illuminate the covenant, because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Satonium Cloak, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.